The Audi voice recognition system responds to commands for a wide range of features and functions. There are two modes of voice recognition available: internal voice recognition, which operates through the MMI, or external voice recognition, which can access and control voice operation of a connected compatible mobile device. The internal voice recognition system can control functions such as navigation, media selections, telephone, messages, and climate control. A short press of the talk button on the steering wheel will initiate a voice prompt. Wait for the confirmation tone. Say, "Help." The display will show some of the typical commands that can be used. Set the temperature to 70 degrees.
I am increasing the temperature to 70 degrees Fahrenheit.
Voice recognition is especially helpful for entering navigation destinations. Drive me to 3800 Hamlin Road, Auburn Hills, Michigan.
Searching for destinations. One moment, please. Should I start route guidance?
Points of interest can be searched in two ways: natively or via a search engine for a more in-depth online search. To search generically, simply give a command. Movie theaters.
Searching for destinations. One moment, please.
When the preferred listing appears, announce the line number, such as line 2.
Should I start route guidance now?
Online searches require that your MMI is connected to the internet and can be started by pressing the search icon to enable an online search. When the search icon is filled in on your MMI screen, you'll know your POI search is being done online. If you have enabled an online search but see a gray or non-connected icon, begin your search by saying "Online search for," and your vehicle will automatically reconnect for you. Phone calls can also be made with voice recognition, either from the customer phone contacts or by simply announcing a number to call. Call Michelle mobile.
I am calling Michelle now.
Commands must be given after an announcement prompt. This can be overridden by selecting Settings, then General, Speech Dialogue System, and Allow Commands during voice output. When this function is turned on, a command may be spoken during a prompt. In the same menu, selecting Consent to Online Speech Recognizer will enable the system to greatly expand the online capabilities, functions, and accuracy of the internal voice recognition system. Also within this menu is the selection of the "Hey Audi" activation word. When activated, simply say "Hey Audi" without pushing any buttons. The display will prompt, "What can I do for you?" Answer with your command. For navigation commands, just say "Navigate to" and the address of your destination, in the order of address number, street name, city, then state. Or, for saved destinations or points of interest, just use the name of the destination. Hey Audi can make calling easier as well. Just say "Hey Audi," and after the prompt, say the name of your contact, such as "Call John Smith," or speak the phone number you wish to call. Or say "Hey Audi," and then "Help" after the prompt to discover other ways to use "Hey Audi," including changing radio stations or selecting other media. The "Hey Audi" voice prompt can be turned off by touching the menu button, then the settings icon, the general icon, speech dialogue system, then toggle the Activate Speech Dialogue System option to the off position. External voice recognition expands the verbal capabilities by accessing a connected phone through the Audi smartphone interface. When a mobile device is connected to the MMI, either through the hands-free profile or Audi smartphone interface, a long press of the talk button activates the phone's onboard digital assistant. Show me flower shops in Alexandria, Virginia.
Okay, one option I see is yesterday Florence.